Welcome to Abby Explains. In the last video, we discussed the PT examination. Today, we'll be discussing the test format. As we had discussed earlier, PT examination is divided into 4 parts: the speaking, writing, reading, and listening. And the test duration is from 2 to 2.5 hours depending upon person to person. The PT speaking module is divided into 5 parts: read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, read a lecture, and answer short question. The 5 subparts in them, repeat sentence and read aloud, has got the highest weightage. But for many of the students, describe image and read a lecture may look like a nightmare. But with proper technique and practice, it can get easier. Next we have is writing, which is divided in 2 parts: summarize written text and an essay. Summarize written text is a 10-minute task in which you have to write one single sentence summarizing a long passage into 5 to 75 words. നമ്മളൊരു സിനിമ കണ്ടിട്ട് അതിനെ ഒറ്റ വാചകത്തിൽ എഴുതുന്ന പോലെ. Coming to an essay, as the name itself suggests, we have to write an essay within 20 minutes. Next we have is reading, which is divided into 5 parts: reading and writing fill in the blanks, multiple choice, multiple answers, read a paragraph, multiple choice single answers, and reading fill in the blanks. ഇതിനകത്ത് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ വെയിറ്റേജ് ഉള്ളത് റീഡിംഗ് ആൻഡ് റൈറ്റിംഗ് fill in the blanksലാണ്. And moreover, multiple choice, multiple answers has got negative marking. Last we have is listening module, which is divided into 8 parts, and they are summarize spoken text, multiple choice, multiple answers, fill in the blanks, highlight correct summary, multiple choice single answer, select missing word, highlight incorrect words, and write from dictation. ഈ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത 8 സബ് പാർട്സിലും ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ വെയിറ്റേജ് ഉള്ളത് റൈറ്റ് ഫ്രം ഡിക്റ്റേഷൻ ആണ്. ആൻഡ് മോർ ഓവർ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ചോയ്സ്, മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് ഹൈലൈറ്റ് ഇൻകറക്റ്റ് വേർഡ്സ് has got negative marking. For more information, register with Abby Services. See you in the next video.